Hey everyone, this is Ray from LuckyVitamin, and I'm here today to talk to you about Nature's Answer Black Elderberry Liquid. This stuff is, in one word, amazing. I take it because the black elderberry liquid acts as a herbal microscrubber for your immune system, flushing out viruses and toxins that are likely to cause the cold and flu, while the added vitamin C and Echinacea protect you from bacteria and germs. It's preferred to take 4 teaspoons daily with water, tea, or added fruit juice. Personally, I take a shot glass full every day, as I feel it has a great taste that is able to pass the pickiest of palates, like my own. So go ahead, give it a try. If you love it, tell your friends and family, and don't forget, spread the wellness.